Put ordinary glass on the optical transmittance measuring instrument. The transmittance data obtained shows UV 82%, IR 85.5%, BL 90.8%. Then turn on the infrared sensing fan, and the fan is not affected. This is AR glass. The data shows UV 0%, IR 12.3%, BL 76.8%. It can completely block ultraviolet rays, and the transmittance of infrared rays will also be greatly reduced. Put it on the infrared sensing fan, and the fan stops rotating after the glass blocks infrared rays. Next, test the last piece of glass. The data shows UV 0.4%, IR 14%, BL 79.7%. It can also block most ultraviolet rays and infrared rays. Put the glass in the infrared sensing range, and the fan stops rotating.